Hello, this is Haspa with WTI.
And the first thing I noticed is the shape of the shoulders when I got this dress. So they sit so beautifully and give the dress a very elegant structure right from the top. I am in love with this dress because it instantly makes the whole look feel refined and put together. And there's how elegant it looks overall, especially when you move. So there's flow, there's movement, and the fabric is just gorgeous. It flows naturally, and I love how it gives such a graceful feminine vibe when you walk. I also love the design of the waist and the back because it creates this illusion of a slimmer silhouette and it defines my shape without being too tight, so it flatters my body in a really subtle and classy way. And something that I found amazing is how much space it has for pregnant women because you can clearly see how comfortable and roomy it is for a growing belly, which is what it's intended for, and yet it still looks beautiful and structured. And even though it's a maternity dress, I am not pregnant and it still fits me perfectly and looks stunning. And finally, the fabric is not see through at all, which is something that I really appreciate because I don't like wearing anything under because it's too hot where I live. So it feels really high quality and gives me a lot of confidence when I'm wearing it. So this Coco Maxi dress in crimson dark red is so elegant. It's really made for any women, pregnant or not.
But that's just my point of view.